Hi everybody, happy week 18 of Phi-Ed class. We are nearing the end of second quarter, so just keep that in mind as far as where you're at for Phi-Ed and completing the weekly calendar reflection assignments. So just double check where you're at for all of those as we are nearing the end of second quarter already. And make sure that you reach out to me, ask me questions as they come up. Make sure you're attending our Google Meets, connection times. They are not technically required, but it's really obvious that students who do attend those are doing way better in our classes and just like feeling better overall because they're having, human connection even through the screen. So just please make sure that you're attending those. They're pretty chill. So just please attend. The secret code for this week for Phi-Ed is that Miss Rainey gets to ditch her braces this week. So you could put like no more braces, braces free, but anything to do with Miss Rainey getting to ditch her braces, that is the secret code for this week. Like always, please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to see you on our Google Meet connections. Bye.